morning mga kaigit! Kami ngayon ay papunta ng Siargao Island and 4 days, 3 nights kami doon kasama ang aming mga kaigit peeps and ngayong Independence Day. Syempre, kasama namin yung mga malalaya, yung mga pinalaya, etc. So, praying forward na maging safe ang aming flight, ang aming buong event and kita-kits Siargao!
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky's so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me.
Video muna. Ano po ang pinunta natin sa Siargao?
Apa.
Wow. Perfect. Anong pinunta niyo sa Siargao?
Snorkeling.
Anong pakay niyo sa Siargao? Ba't napasama kayo? Sisi? Ayun, pare-parehas ng sagot. Very good.
Nagre-relax lang.
Yan.
Kami po ay boarding na ngayon. Inaantay na lang namin mag-take off ng aeroplano. And thanks God, lahat kami ay kumpleto. So, mga 2 hours. 2
Attention
hours
ground staff, those
travel time.
people passengers, take your
Please
seats
pray
now with your
na
seatbelt
maganda
securely
ang
fastened.
Travel
Also,
with
contact the bucket list and your
across the sea,
Don't mind that it's not under
over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, where dreams run deep.
Go! Nakahanap na ba? Tamang abang lang kayo dyan.
May papatirin kami mamaya. Saka mo na.
Meron ba? Meron?
Ayun.
Daw. Kaya lang may jowa. Ay, ito ba yung hinahunting nyo? Target lock? Taray naman ni mo. Nalito siya. Hi, Mama Ika. Tita Edna. Hi. Tita, Sisina.
Ay.
So blue, feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. The summer day.
Tawi kami ngayon papuntang Try Island. Kasama namin ang
Hello, good morning everyone.
sexy lady guest. Sila tita. All the way from Dubai. Dubai. Tayagit! Walastik! O, ayan na. Ready na sila mangiti.
Sir, so we have a 5 total destination. We have a 2 side trip and we have a 3 island po. Atin ang low tide ng Pacific San Marco. Okay lang po ba sa inyo, ma'am, sir?
Yes. Ilan?
May nahuli kami mga isda ngayon. Ang lalaki nila. Sobrang ang lalaki ang sasarap.
Mga nahuli namin, isang tuna, isang tagigit.
Ha?
Gano'n tayo nga tagal dito?
Kayo po, gusto niyo 1 hour or 5 days, okay lang po.
Ay, talaga.
The moment your eyes made an introduction, I felt my second violin breath of light. Flawless to the point of being godly, yet I fell hard for your imperfections. And now we're slightly, whether we're slightly worn, our hands grip together, eye to eye through the storm. Yet I still believe in ever after with you. 'Cause life is a pleasure with you by my side, and there ain't no current in this river we can't ride. I still believe in ever after with you.
Sis, kumusta sis?
Ayun,
Ayun.
muntik na.
Mukhang makakasaksis ka, Sisi. Hi, tita.
Ate Leslie, marami.
Kagit, ang aming next destination is yung Daco Island. So, Daco means malaki. So, sa tatlong isla na mapupuntahan nyo dito sa Siargao, ito yung isa sa mga isla na malaki. So, kaya Daco Island yung pinangalan dito.
I love Siargao!
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, 'cause this is Africa. Tamina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Tamina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
Alright guys. Dito na po kami sa Daco Island. Yan si Kuya. Hi ka Kuya. Hi. Hi. Yan. Dito yung Daco Island. Hello po. Hi. Yan. Bigo. Bigo bra.
Yun. Up.
Kain po.
Yeah. So, sis, kumusta naman yung ating, ano?
Pakita yung kinakain. Ay, dami.
Nahuli ka ngayon. Nahuli ka. Okay lang, sis. Di ka nga tumataba
Let's go
eh.
to the beach under the sun. Feel the sand, have some fun. Waves are calling, let's run to the ocean, everyone. I want to see your eyes, I love to see your love. Under the bright light, the sun above. With you by my side, it's more than enough. Let's make memories, our bond full of love. Walking by the shore, hand in hand, leaving footprints in the golden sand. Seashells and laughter where we stand. This is our happy promised land.
Break muna daw sa pagiging owner ng phone na to. Papunta kami sa Guyam Island. Doon, di ko maano yung kamay ko pero ayaw mag-start ng bangka. Walang kulang sa spark plug. Itutulak.
Order pa sa Lazada.
Pupunta kami sa repair shop nandun sa kabilang isla.
Pero kailangan umandar muna yung bangka. Ito nga pala si Jelay. Hi ka naman Jelay kasi hindi ka na bukas di ba? Ano ngayon? Ayun! Uy! Wait lang! Ayun! Ito nga pala si Ate Ella. Ayun, nakahiga. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa yan. Tingnan nyo na lang. Pero may ginawang kababalaghan yan dyan. Hi nga pala sa aking vlog. Hello po, hi. ba? Ano to? 2,000 views.
Live ka ba?
Hindi. Mamaya live na. Hi po mga tita. Hi! Eh, isang muna dyan! Okay pa ba tayo dyan? Kaya po! Kaya po!
Dito na kami sa Guyam Island. So, ayan, meron dito. Makikita nyo may mga reggae bands. So, makikita nyo sila dito. And syempre, ang Aura-Aura team. Oh, si Madam. Si Ate Kyla and si Michael. So ngayon,
Na mag-basketball.
ngayon medyo cloudy dito. Pero maya-maya gaganda na ang weather.
Chilling with my friends. Chilling with my friends.
Travelers ha? Oo.
Let's go. Let's go. Feel the high, the world's our show. Step on a plane, ready to fly. Adventure's calling, reach for the sky. Let's travel. Let's move around the world. Feel the groove.
Yeah.
Galing ito may mo.
Sarap? Ayan. Yagit, lokal ka na dito. Stay forever young. So,
ANX. Hello, Fanato. La mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta, danza kuduro, no te canses ahora, que esto solo empieza, mueve la cabeza, danza kuduro, la mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta, danza kuduro, no te canses ahora, que esto solo empieza, mueve la cabeza, danza kuduro. ¿Quién puede domar la fuerza del mar que se mete por tu pena? Lo caliente del sol que se te metió y no te deja quieta, nena. ¿Quién puede parar eso que al bailar descontrola tus caderas? Y ese fuego que quema por dentro y lento te convierte en piedra. Con la mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta y sacude duro. No te quites ahora, que esto solo empieza. Mueve la cabeza y sacude duro. Para salir de locura, morena, bella a mi lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado. Quero ver esse futuro. Para salir de locura, morena, bella a mi lado. Ninguém vai ficar parado. Oi, 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 oi. É pra quebrar com duro, vamos dançar com duro. Oi, 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 oi. Seja morena, loira, vem balançar com
Higit, saan napunta?
Lagoon?
Sa Lagoon? Di sure.
No idea.
Lagoon?
Sa Afam.
Saan? Apam Lagoon?
We're going to Afam.
So, madidiscover natin kung gaano kaganda ang Sugba Lagoon ngayon. So, ito, si Ate Roslyn. Nakailan ka kagabi?
Isa lang.
Si Ate Aika.
Negative.
Mataas kasi yung ano. Hindi mo mobra.
Ay, kati pero siya. Go, go, go lang.
Sige, tayo na din makasama yung bukas na may interview. Bukas wala. Madam, how are you?
Beauty.
Nakailan ka, Madam?
1 3/4.
May 3-4 pa.
Hello, Sergio!
Kiss. Kiss.
Huwag naman yung kiss.
Kiss.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young and let us live forever.
Good afternoon! Welcome to Sukalabong Siargao!
Get out!
Man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising the leaders, we're getting into the music's played by the madman. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Forever young. Do you really wanna live forever? Forever, forever and ever. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Forever young. Do you really wanna live forever? Forever, forever young. Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody, some are the beat. But sooner or later, they all
Morning mga kayagit. So ngayon, kami ay pauwi na ng Manila. Dito kami sa Siargao Airport and waiting na kami sa boarding. Andito na rin yung aeroplano. So ang baba namin ay sa Clark Airport.
Mga kayagit, so
This is not the
we're
pure
now going
boarding
back
call.
to Manila.
Boarding
Just wanna
will
share
start in 3 minutes.
experience.
Gate number 2.
Sa
Please be
Siargao
reminded of our
It's
boarding
really an
procedures.
amazing trip.
First, board our passengers
Dream come
require
true.
special
Thank you so much,
assistance.
Ate Chi,
Senior
for
citizens and
making
one
this
travel companion only. Followed by parents traveling with infants or
very
children
memorable
below 7 years old.
experience. Very
The rest
convenient
will be
para
boarding
sa aming
certificate
lahat.
seat numbers, starting
Yung
from the rear
from
to the front of the
accommodation,
aircraft.
papunta sa
Please
tour,
take note of
hanggang
your
sa
seat number
pag-uwi.
printed at
Everything
the lower right-hand portion of your
were
boarding pass.
well prepared
For
by Ate
comfort class
Chi
passengers,
and the Yagi
medium higher,
travelers. Thank
from
you.
your elite and elite card holder.
Recommend namin yung Yagit kasi napakabait ng cohort. Si Ate Chin, sila Kuya Benjo, Kuya Mark, kahit sinong cohort na makasama nyo is hindi kayo malileft out.
Mas very accommodating din sila, lalo na kapag kunyari may mga nagkakasakit, may mga need ng medical assistance, talagang hindi nila papabayaan. And na-enjoy namin kasi, yun, sinusulit nila yung trip. Parang hindi naman kami minamadali na from this one place, parang limited hours lang, talagang hinahayaan nila kaming mag-enjoy and ayun din, nakakabanding din namin.
Tsaka meron din kayong taga-picture, ganyan. Tapos yung purpose din nila sa ibang trips, may outreach program. So kita mo yung goodwill na yung intent talaga nila para hindi lang mag-travel, at least makapag-interact ka pa sa community. Ayun.
So, yung kwentong Yagit, or Yagit Travelers, highly recommended.
Ayun. Thank you.
Highly recommended. Highly recommended. Kaway-kaway, tita. Iwanan na. Uwian na. Yun. Tita. So, thank you, Siargao. Babalikan ka pa namin next year. So, sa mga kayagit namin dyan, sumama na kayo. At mag-party-party at mag-island happy tayo dito. Na po.
Awesome. What else?
Thrilling.
Thrilling? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Wow. What did you enjoy most?
Diving.
Diving. Oo, lagi kaming kasama sa Yagit kasi masaya. Parang kaming family dito. Oh. Tapos si Ate, after 2 weeks may kasama kami uli dito. So, hindi ko nga alam kung kumikita pa si Ate Chin. Sige, yun lang. Masaya. Alaga. At saka yung mga thrilling experience, ang lakas mag-motivate. Sige.
Gusto mo sa Siargao, tita?
Yung nag-jump. First time ko mag-jump sa taas. Grabe, sa Sugba Lagoon. Grabe. Nakakatakot pero 2 times ako nag-jump. Pati yung si Ryu. Another achievement. Marami ako nagiging achievement dito.
Yes, skydiving na.
Sige.
Mga kayagit, kami ay pauwi na and pa-take off na yung aeroplano. Praying na safe kami makaland sa Manila, sa Clark. And thank you mga kayagit. for trusting us again. See you sa next adventure.
Sa bali, magandang umaga sa inyong
Siargao, Siargao, Siargao.
If ever you've lived on an island, if ever you've lived by the sea,
You'll never return to the mainland once your spirit has been set free.
looking for a place to soul search and be engrossed to the nature's best, you can finally find your soulmate. Siargao is your ultimate wish. La 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 la.
Siargao is lies the very best.
Looking for your inday, panggaon kang kanunay.
Siargao is lies the very best. Wanay laing hanapon,
Muskon kastalan ahon.
the island life is incomparable.
Siargao, 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 Siargao. Tara na sa Siargao. Pagkagising sa umaga, sa islang pinagpala, sa gwapang nga baybayon, ikaw magmalipayon, maglalaro sa